How to remove location from Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can remove location from Instagram posts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if I open the Instagram app here, I just come to my profile page and then I just switch my account. For this case here you can see I've posted a specific photo, and in this photo I have also updated a location, right? So I want to remove that location without deleting the photo. How do I do that? Well, to do this, all you need to do is just tap the three dots icon which you see over here, and then here you'll find a section where it says edit. So tap on edit. Now you want to tap on that location, but the only option it will just give me is to simply choose some other location. As you can see, I have to select another one from the list. So what you need to do is, in order to cancel this location, is after you just tap on it, do not select any other location, do not do anything, just tap the cross icon that you see over here, and then it will save the changes. And now you can see it says add location, because basically now the location has been removed. Now you can tap the check button, save the changes, and then the location is going to be successfully removed from your Instagram post. That's it on how you can go ahead and then remove location from an Instagram post. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.